Hello, this is going to be the MUN tutorial video for Discord as a whole. So just to start with Discord, we're gonna just start by opening it. So you type Discord in the Windows bar, then you press enter. So it's gonna load. It might take a bit longer for you as I just loaded the program before, so it was a bit fast, but don't worry if it takes a bit slower. So now I'm just gonna run you through the whole MUN about how you're going to use the Discord program for the MUN. So first of all, here below, here in the bottom left, where my mouse pointer is, you can see that I've got my username. It's just the one I chose and a number. That's your friend code. You won't need it for this, but next to that you see mute, deafen, and user settings. So first of all, if you want to test your settings as a whole, you can maybe click on the user settings. As you can see here, you've got your number. You can upload an avatar in case you want, but that we're not going to worry about that. For now, we're going to worry about the voice and video. So first of all, you can press automatically determine input sensitivity. That's always a good function. Then there's it blurs out some background noise a bit automatically, so that works great. Yeah. Then you can see the input device you can choose here in case you've got many different microphones. I don't know, maybe you do. That's the one thing. And output device, I've got many output devices here, but you can just choose the one you want. Here you can choose the volume which stuff should be outputted at, so the volume is good enough. And maybe a good thing before you start the MUN is to use the mic test function. It's just going to play back your voice, and then you can see if people can understand you. So what we're going to do for that is we're just going to press on the let's check button. So we're going to press, and now I can hear myself. You should hear it double in the video as well. Don't be annoyed. I'm going to turn it off now. So here you can just check if your audio is good enough. And basically that's it for the settings for the MUN meeting. Now I'm gonna assume that you clicked on the link and joined the SGSC MUN conference already. The server, it's a Discord server. Probably we're gonna have a tutorial right before this. We're recording these separately, so I'm not sure yet. And basically you've got all these bubbles here with servers you're on. As you can see, I use Discord frequently, so I'm on lots of servers, but that should not be worrying for you. You just go on the one with this logo and it says SGSC MUN conference. You click on it. Oh, you can't see the change. So for example, I'm just going to go on my first server now, and now I'm going to click on it, and you see it loads here. So now that we've got it loaded up, we'll see all the roles back here. On the right, you'll see all the delegates lists. Currently, there's no delegate in the server yet. We're still preparing, so that's why it's not going to be here. And you can see the chairs, so you can see the username of the chairs right here. And that will ensure that you can chat to them in case you need to direct message them, which we're going to explain later. And then to basically join a chat room, you're just going to wait, I'm just going to click on the arrival chat room. To join a chat room, you just click on it. So for example, let's say I want to chat in the General Assembly main. I click on it, and then I can type something like, hello, can you read this message? We're just going to ask a question here. So basically everyone in the General Assembly can read this message, and people can answer him. As you can see, SC Chair 2 Tom is currently typing. He's gonna respond to the message hopefully, and that's basically how you can send messages between each other. Okay, look, we can see the message, and if you want to just add a reaction like in Teams, you can just press some thumbs up, and then it's good to go. Then people know that you, I don't know, then you thumbed up the message. It's not necessary, it's just in case you want to do it. So now, since MUN is a lot about voice chat, we're just gonna talk you through joining a voice chat. So presuming you have done all your settings, you just click on the voice chat you want to join. In case of this tutorial, it will be main, but for the MUN conference, everything will be explained to you which voice chat you will join. So don't worry which one it is, just remember how you join, and this will be just by clicking on it. So now we're gonna join the voice chat. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. So as you can see, there's we can talk to other people on here, and presumably it will be more people in the conference. And if we just click on the main channel again, we can see the names of the people pop up. In case people use video or screen share, this allows you to see the screen or the video. So if you want to turn on video, you just click on the camera icon here, It's the most left icon, and you can just preview camera and then maybe turn it on when you want to. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm not going to do that. But you can also just share your screen, for example. So I can go live and share my screen. Now people can join it and look at it. And yeah, that's just gonna make an infinite loop for now. But important information will be displayed here during the conference. You shouldn't share your screen. The shares will do that. Okay, so now we went through the voice chat. To leave a voice chat, you press on the red icon here, which says disconnect. You just click on it, and now we're disconnected. It should give you the sound you just heard, and there's basically you left the voice chat. No one can hear you. You can just talk whatever you want. So now we're going to the last part, direct messages. In case you want to message a chair or maybe another delegate to talk to them privately, you can click on the account. For the purpose, we made a test account, and we're just going to click on that. We're going to view profile. We're going to click on the 3 buttons here. We're going to message the person. That brings you to the message, and then we can just type, "Hello, this is a private message." And basically you just type in the chat like you did before. Now you can just chat with other members and individuals in case you don't want to make a public text message. Yeah, so that was basically the whole Discord tutorial. I hope you learned a lot. Not learned a lot, but I hope you understand Discord now. In case there are any questions, please email our staff. We are happy to make another video or explain stuff in more detail. Thank you for listening.